Software development. Practice questions and answers, programming concepts, variables, loops, functions. Q1. Which of the following is used to store a value that can change throughout the execution of a program? A. Constant B, variable C, method D, parameter. Answer B, variable Q2. Which of the following loops will execute at least once, even if the condition is initially false? A. For loop B, while loop C, do while loop D. If statement. Answer C, do while loop Q3. Which of the following is the correct way to define a function in Python? A. Function my function. Return. B. Def my function. Return. C. Function my function. E. Return. D. Def my function. Return. Answer B. Def my function. Return. Languages: Python, JavaScript, Basic Bash Q4. In Python, which function is used to get user input from the console? A. Input. B. Read. C. Get. D. Console. Answer A. Input. Q5. Which of the following JavaScript methods is used to add a new element to the end of an array? A. Push. B. Pop. C. Shift. D. Unshift. Answer A. Push. Q6. Which of the following is the correct way to comment a single line of code in Bash? A. This is a comment. B. This is a comment. C. This is a comment. D. This is a comment. Answer A. This is a comment version control with git Q7. What does the git commit command do? A. Pushes changes to a remote repository. B. Stages changes to be tracked. C. Saves changes to the local repository with a message. D. Merges different branches of a project. Answer C. Saves changes to the local repository with a message. Q8. Which of the following commands would you use to view the status of your local Git repository? A. Git status. B. Git log. C. Git push. D. Git merge. Answer A. Git status. Q9. What is the function of git clone? A. It stages changes for commit. B. It makes a copy of a repository into a local folder. C. It merges two branches of a repository. D. It commits changes to the local repository. Answer B. It makes a copy of a repository into a local folder. SDLC and Agile DevOps Practices. Q10. What does SDLC stand for? A. Software Design Lifecycle. B. Software Development Lifecycle. C. System Development Lifecycle. D. System Design Lifecycle. Answer B. Software Development Lifecycle. Q11. Which of the following is a key principle of the Agile methodology? A. Heavy documentation and planning before coding. B. Continuous feedback and iterative development. C. Delivering all features at the end of the project. D. Focusing only on the development and not testing. Answer B. Continuous feedback and iterative development. Q12. What is the primary goal of DevOps? A. To deliver faster and more efficient software by combining development and IT operations. B. To improve the design phase of the SDLCC. To ensure software is bug-free before release. D. To enhance project management practices in software development. Answer A. To deliver faster and more efficient software by combining development and IT operations. API usage and testing. Q14. What does API stand for in software development? A. Application Program Interface. B. Advanced Program Integration. C. Application Process Integration. D. Automated Programming Interface. Answer A. Application Program Interface. Q14. Which of the following tools is commonly used to test RESTful APIs? A. Eclipse. B. Postman. C. IntelliJ, IDEA, Visual Studio Code. Answer B. Postman. Q15. In an API request, what does the HTTP method GET typically do? A. Sends data to the server. B. Retrieves data from the server. C. Deletes data on the server. D. Updates data on the server. Answer B. Retrieves data from the server. Debugging and error handling. Q16. Which of the following is a common method to handle errors in Python? A. If statements. B. Try and except blocks. C. Continue statements. D. Throw keyword. Answer. B. Try and accept blocks. Q. 17. What is the purpose of a debugger in software development? A. To add comments in the code. B. To automatically fix bugs. C. To help developers find and fix errors in the code. D. To run unit tests on the code. Answer. C. To help developers find and fix errors in the code. Q. Which of the following is a common error handling technique in JavaScript? A. Catch and finally. B. Try and if. C. Throw and return. D. Continue and break. Answer. A. Catch and finally.